Risk controls can be implemented that affect the severity of the consequences of exposure or interaction with a hazard, or the likelihood that the consequences will occur, or both. An unguarded table saw might be rated 5 on likelihood and 5 on consequence severity, but once a correctly functioning guard is fitted and properly maintained and used, the likelihood of contact with the hazardous cutting disc is reduced significantly, possibly down to 1, depending on what other control measures are used in conjunction with the guard, i.e. training, supervision, adequate space and lighting, etc. So the likelihood of harm has been reduced, but the severity of the consequences has not, because unlikely as it now is, if contact were to be made with the cutting disc, the harm would be just as severe as before. To illustrate how the other aspect of risk, i.e. consequence severity, can be reduced, let's use working at height as an example. To reduce the severity of the consequences of a fall from height, fall arrest equipment such as netting can be used. On its own, netting won't reduce the likelihood of a fall, but if one did occur, the consequences would not be as severe. Might it be possible to reduce both aspects of risk, i.e. both the likelihood of a fall and the consequences of a fall if one did occur? The answer is yes, by using controls in conjunction with each other. For example, as we already know, the use of netting can reduce the consequences of a fall, but other controls, such as guardrails, are very effective at reducing the likelihood of a fall happening in the first place.